Jamaica, watch this.
It all unfolded during a police operation in Taws Meadow, St. Catherine, sometime before midday.
Me was right there at the shop, and I see the police them come. And they give me the message to give tatas. And I told them that you can't give me to give tatas. And tatas, the bad man when they say they want to then kill. So Mr. Tin said, me can't give tatas, you have to go because you are the police. And he did it, so and he said, wait a second, me tell him again. And I beat back him and start back to him. The man tell me what I did. So when I tell Mr. Tin, I tell him, what me do? Me a big man, me a 82 years of age. And then the police are going to take him out from me now.
When the physical assault ended, he was rushed to a medical facility to seek treatment for the injuries he sustained to his mouth and back. He told us his dentures were also broken while he was being beaten by the officer. As if struggling with the pain was not already a burden, the visit to the police station to file a report would also cause him more distress.
They put me in a if I'm going to give me tell him. They ask me if me see the man, if me know him. Me say yes, if me see the police, me know him. He asked me again, how me show to our police. That's where the next one, and that the one you take a step, the next one asked me, how me show to our police. So me say, what kind of food business you ask me? And a police business, and you ask me if the man is my police. You don't understand? What them should have done, they should have called in the troop, make me explain and show him the man, say, this is the man, you don't do that.
The incident, which has been making rounds on social media, has sparked outrage among Jamaicans, with some demanding justice. Residents in the community are livid.
They abuse them authority. Them abuse them authority. It don't matter the circumstances what you come on. If you come for Tom Jones, you're not supposed to have beat old man, beat young boy, abuse children, abuse elderly people, and attack all kind of work. If I curse about it, police lock me up. So why them supposed to come and use negative word to people and all those things? You know, fear.
In a release on Sunday, the JCF said the police officer involved in the incident has been placed on interdiction pending the outcome of a thorough investigation by the Inspectorate and the Professional Oversight Bureau, IPROBE. It says the matter is being treated with urgency and seriousness, and that the High Command is denouncing any form of misconduct or abuse of authority by its members. Furthermore, the JCF says the actions portrayed in the video do not reflect the professional standards and core values upheld by the organization, and has committed to providing further updates as the investigation progresses.